So an update on the ELU then. From the previous video, it was just resigned to the bin, having completely conked out, and I wasn't really planning on spending any money on it. So the previous video is about buying a new router of similar size, but like most of these things, couldn't help myself, so I took it to bits as usual. And yes, it's the bearing basically. This is the motor here. This bottom bearing is there, and then there's a top bearing here, and this is remnants of it right here. And as you can see, some ball bearings are missing, and the cage that holds them is completely wrecked and missing, and completely gone. So my initial fears were that this was going to be super expensive for what it's worth, which is why I went and bought another router, and also I had to get that other job finished. So now I've taken this apart, I can search online for the relevant bearings, because they've got numbers and manufacturer's details on them, and lo and behold, both bearings come to a grand total of £8, including postage and packaging. So watch this space, got them coming in the post. We'll whack it all back together, and it should work, shouldn't it, in theory? All the brushes still got heaps of life left in them. There's not a lot of wear there. There's some wear, obviously, just its age, but nothing too much to worry about. All the other bits and bobs, all the electronics are working fine. Tested them and things like that, so it just needs a real good old clean out, blow out with the air, and we'll come back to it. Ooh, new bearings. Cool, let's get it together. Right, well that's it, back together, plugged in. Well, that'll just join its new mate, the Makita now, and so I've got two little 1/4 inch drives.